Hello and welcome to this video on economic order quantity. It's a topic under the subject of inventory management. So in this video, we'll be looking at the brief introduction and the practical and numerical aspects of EOQ. So let's start. The EOQ or economic order quantity is also known as economic lot size or reorder quantity or standard order quantity. These are the other names of EOQ. Now to calculate EOQ, we basically need a few terms. So let's have a look at those terms. The first one is known as demand or the annual demand. It is the demand in terms of per year, and sometimes it's also known as usage or requirement or supply. These are the other terms which can be used instead of demand. The next term is the ordering cost per order. That is the cost of placing an order. It's also sometimes called as setup cost or procurement cost. These are the other two names of this: setup cost or procurement cost or order cost or ordering cost. The third term we need is the carrying cost. Now I've used the symbol CH for carrying cost and CO for ordering cost and D for demand. The carrying cost is also called as holding cost. So these are the two commonly used terms, carrying cost or holding cost. It is the cost expressed in per unit per year. It is basically the cost of keeping the inventory expressed in per unit of inventory per year. So the formula for EOQ is as follows. Economic order quantity is given by the under root of 2 multiplied by demand multiplied by the ordering cost divided by carrying cost. So that's under root of 2 into D into CO divided by CH. That gives you the economic order quantity. But apart from that, there are a few terms as well which are used in conjunction with EOQ. So let's have a look at those as well. The another term is the number of orders. The number of orders which we are supposed to give in an year. Now it's very easy to calculate. The number of orders are given by annual demand, that is here, this term, divided by EOQ. So if you divide annual demand by EOQ, that gives you the number of orders. Now the third term which we need is the time between two orders. So like what is the time period between placing two orders? We have placed one order, now when we will place the next order? That's also very easy to calculate. You divide the time period. That is, if you are doing it in months, then you can use 12, or if you are doing it in weeks, then you can use 52, or days, then 365 divided by the number of orders. So that gives you the time between two successive orders. There is also another term, that is the total cost. Now total cost is made of three components. One is the total purchase cost, the other one is total ordering cost, and the third component of this is the total carrying cost. The total purchase cost is given by D, that is the demand we've seen before, multiplied by cost per unit. That will give you the total purchase cost. To calculate the total ordering cost, it's very easy. You multiply number of orders. We have calculated number of orders here. You multiply number of orders by CO, ordering cost, this one. And finally, to calculate the total carrying cost, the formula is EOQ divided by 2 multiplied by holding cost. So that will give you the carrying cost. And if you add these three terms together, that gives you the total cost. So we have completed this calculation of economic order quantity. Now we can briefly do one small problem, and hopefully we'll be able to find its right answer. So please try to attempt this question. The demand is 1200 units per year. The ordering cost is 54 rupees 54 per order, and the holding cost or the carrying cost is rupees 4.8 per unit per year. So I will ask you to pause this video and calculate the answer yourself. And when you've calculated, you can unpause and return to the video to check the correct answer. So I hope you have calculated the right answer. It's very easy to calculate. You multiply 2 multiplied by demand, that is 1200. Ordering cost is 54 and the carrying cost is 4.8. And then you find the square root of this product. And that answer is 164. I hope you got that right. So this was a brief introduction to the basic calculation of economic order quantity. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.